Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your old blouse, that's your normal blouse, into a beautiful designer wear. And hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on the like button below. So let's get into the video. And to begin the project, let me show you what are the materials I'm using. Some beads like this, a beautiful golden beads, and also I'm using a half an inch lace, which is again a gold with a pearl bead on it. You can use any lace on your wish, and I'm going to make this work in a golden kind of beads. So I just took a chart paper and I have folded in half, and I'm drawing these kind of like a kind of teardrop shape, and you're going to follow the same shape what I do over here, and I'm going to cut it like this. Okay, once it's been cut out, and I'm going to draw the same onto my sleeves. And if you want, you can try to the back part of the blouse as well. Today I'm going to show you how to make this in the sleeves. So take your blouse, it can be any kind of blouse. I took a silk cotton blouse, and I'm going to draw a line for half an inch because I'm going to add a lace to that, and to the half an inch. And I'm going to draw these shape onto my sleeves. To draw this, I'm using a water soluble pen, and I'm going to draw this like such. Okay, so make sure the pattern has a continued shape. Okay, a really simple and beautiful blouse this is. You can make this blouse even just a day. It is just need a 1 day to prepare this blouse. Okay, so once after just marking this, I'm going to use a fabric glue, and I'm going to line the glue exactly on the line what I have drawn before. So it's a normal fabric glue, and you can see just I'm lining the water soluble line exactly, and I'm just drawing on top of that. Okay, and once it's done, I'm going to lay with the beautiful golden beads on top. Okay, and inside this golden bead there is a thin thread. So do not take the thread, you're going to line this beads along with the thread. So once the beads has been dried completely, you can sew the beads so that the thread will make the bead to stay in place, and it stay long for better. Like if you put for a 3 to 4 watch also, the bead won't fall, it just stays beautifully. Okay, so do not take away the thread out of the beads, and you're going to line it like this. So once it's been everything done, you're going to align that properly and in a neat way. So then I'm going to add some kundan stones to this. So for that, I'm using the same fabric glue, and I'm going to put a magenta color kundan stone in on the center of the beads. So it depends upon the fabric color, the sari color you choose. Okay, so once this kundan stone has been dried completely for 2 to 3 hours, I'm going to just add a zardosi for this kundan stone. And this is the zardosi. It's been again a golden color zardosi. And to make this zardosi, make sure you buy a zardosi needle, which would be a really thin needle. So I'm going to start the sewing the zardosi exactly at the tip of the kundan stone. Okay, just take a break on the tip of the kundan stone, and you're going to take a zardosi exactly which matches the kundan stone. You're going to take the length that goes beautifully exactly like the kundan stone. Okay, now I'm going to prick that exactly where I took the needle from, and I'm going to sew the zardosi somewhat like this. And once it's been sewn, can you see it forms a beautiful teardrop shape. So pull that teardrop shape down, and you're going to lock that by stretching that once again. from the down part you're going to take that up, and then you're going to insert the needle down. So same you're going to do on the both the sides. So again I'm going to do the same to the sides of the kundan stones. In this way the kundan stone would be secured. Okay, so this is how each and every kundan stone should be stretched. So let me put a knot and cut away the thread, and again I'm going to load the next kundan stone with the zardosi. Okay, so hold the zardosi top like this, and you're going to prick the needle exactly the where you start from, and you can see it forms a beautiful teardrop. Again you're going to lock the teardrop like this. So you're going to repeat the process for the entire kundan stones you have stuck. So like that you make a very beautiful outlook like this. So once it's done I'm going to sew the lace what I took, and make sure I fold a 1/4 inch at the back, and I'm going to hand sew this. Okay, just 1 or 2 stitch on the top and 1 or 2 stitch at the bottom. Okay, you don't want too many of stitch, so top 1 stitch and bottom 1 stitch, and you're going to secure the lace, and this way it looks really beautiful. The blouse came out really beautiful and I totally loved it. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on the like button below. It came out really beautiful. I totally loved it. See you next time, a different kind of video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.